Hello everyone, welcome to this video series on cryptography and network security lab. So like and share the video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for notifications on latest videos. So in this video, we are going to see a demonstration of Diffie-Hellman key exchange algorithm. So they asked us to implement this algorithm using HTML and JavaScript. I don't know why, but let's see anyway. Okay, so here is the HTML code. So just HTML form with some fields, and here is the JavaScript code. So before explaining this, let me show you the output. So this is the output of the program. So this is the HTML page. So it is asking us to give the value of P and also the value of G. So if you didn't watch the theory video, you watch the theory video and then come here. Let's give the value of P as 23 and G as 5. And once you click submit, see the secret key which is generated by B, A and B is shown here. So I am clicking submit. So if you see, the shared key is same, right? It should be same, 2 2. Okay, so let's see the code how this is happening. So these are the typical HTML tags: head tag, title tag, body tag. Okay, and within the head tag I am writing the title tag, that's right. Okay, and here I am using the script tags. So my JavaScript is available within the file diffie.js. Okay, this is the file diffie.js. So I am linking the JavaScript file with my HTML using this script tag and by using src attribute. Okay, so now the body contains a title tag which will display this Diffie-Hellman key exchange title heading, and we are using HTML form. Okay, so in form we have labels to display text and the value of P, and we have input which where the type attribute is set to text. So text is used to display text fields. Okay, and then we are using ID attribute also. I will tell you why we are using this ID attribute. So for now, just see. So the ID attribute is given. Okay, and we are writing enter the value of G using another label, and again we are including another text field, and we are using another ID here. So ID values should not be same, they should be different. Okay, and then we are using code to display submit. Okay, so here the type is button, normal button, and the value is submit. So you can see here the button is displaying submit, right? So that is that. And additionally we are using one attribute called on click. So whenever I click this button, it is going to execute a function called gen key. So this gen key is written in JavaScript. Okay, it's a function, you can see here. So it is going to invoke this gen key whenever I click the button submit. Okay, so there is another input where the type is set to reset. So it is just used to clear the values, that's all. And if you see, these are the buttons. Below that there are additional controls. So I am using again label and also text field. So this is the idea of the text field, and I am using the property read only. So read only means you can't type anything in this text fields, it will not work, but here you can type anything. Okay, so that's all. So this is the HTML code, very simple code which displays some form. And now if you see here, I already told you whenever you click this submit button, this function is called, right? So let's see what is there in this function. Right, so what is this function doing? First of all, it is getting the value of the element called text p, txtp. What is this txtp? Txtp is a text field. Okay, where we are entering the value of p. So it is getting that value, and that value will be in string format. String is converted into integer. Okay, similarly, it retrieves the G value and it is being stored in the variable G. Okay, and we are giving predefined values for small a and small b. If you have seen the theory video, small a is the private key of A or Alice, and small b is the private key of Bob. Okay, so now we got four values: P, G, small a, and small b. Now we are calculating public keys of both Alice and Bob. So this is the formula for calculating A and B. And after calculating this A and B, actually Alice will share it with Bob, and Bob will share the public key with Alice. And then both of them will calculate the shared key. So AS is the shared key of A, and S is the shared key of B. So the formula is like this. Okay. Finally, we have to display both of these values in the HTML page. So how to refer to the HTML pages? So if you see here, I am writing document.getElement by ID, and the ID I am using is txt secret and txt secret. So if you see the HTML page, these are the text fields. Read only text fields are there now at the bottom. These two. Okay. So I am referring them, and I am setting their value as shared secret of A and shared secret of B. So that's all. This is a very simple function which is calculating the shared secret key. Okay. So that's it. This is the HTML code and this is the JavaScript code. Okay, let me show you the execution once again. So P is 23, G is 5, and once you click submit, the shared secret key is generated and displayed in this text fields, which is 2. So that is about the demonstration of Diffie-Hellman key exchange algorithm using HTML and JavaScript. Thank you.